Is postmenstrual bleeding a sign of a serious health issue?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a concern that many women have at some point in their lives, postmenstrual bleeding. This is when bleeding occurs after your period has ended. While it can be alarming to experience, it's not always a sign of a serious health issue. However, it's important to understand when it may be cause for concern.
What is postmenstrual bleeding?
Postmenstrual bleeding refers to bleeding that happens after your period has finished. This is sometimes also known as spotting. It can vary in intensity, from light spotting to more substantial bleeding. The color may also vary, ranging from pink to dark brown. It's important to note that occasional light spotting can be perfectly normal, but recurrent or heavy bleeding could be a sign of an underlying issue.
What causes postmenstrual bleeding?
There are several potential causes of postmenstrual bleeding. Some of the most common include hormonal fluctuations, stress, certain medications, such as birth control, infections, and structural abnormalities in the uterus or cervix. Some of these causes are more serious than others. For example, polyps or fibroids in your uterus or cervix can cause postmenstrual bleeding and may need medical attention. Similarly, infections in your reproductive organs can also lead to bleeding and should be treated promptly.
When should I be concerned about postmenstrual bleeding?
It's normal to feel concerned when you notice postmenstrual bleeding, especially if it's a new symptom for you. As a general rule, you should reach out to your healthcare provider if you notice heavy bleeding, recurrent or consistent spotting, other symptoms like pain, fatigue, or unexplained weight loss. If you are postmenopausal and experience any bleeding, these could potentially be signs of more serious conditions like endometriosis, polyps, fibroids, or in rare cases, cancer, so it's important to get checked out. In conclusion, while postmenstrual bleeding can be a sign of a serious health issue, it's not always cause for alarm. However, if you're experiencing this symptom and are concerned, it's always a good idea to consult your healthcare provider to ensure there's no underlying issue. Your health is important, and it's always better to be safe than sorry. We hope this video has been informative and helped you understand more about postmenstrual bleeding. Thanks for watching.